I'm McMouse74, and this is Lightning McQueen. What's up, Musketeers? McMouse74. It's been a while since I did a review on the channel, but I do apologize. We're going to be taking a look at Disney's Pixar cars, Lightning McQueen with moving eyes. On the side of the box it says you can use this indoors and or out, moving eyes, full function control, and you do need 3 AA batteries and 3 AAA batteries for this. On the back of the box it shows you a picture of Lightning McQueen and the remote. It says eyes look where you steer, full directional control, and on the remote it says power indicator, on and off switch, forward and reverse, and left and right. So, enough about the package. Let's get Lightning McQueen out of here and see what's going on. Okay, so here we have Lightning McQueen out of the box. I just want to go over some of the detailing before we take him for his test drive. Alongside the vehicle, he has the numbers 95 with an orange and yellow lightning bolt, as well as the numbers 95 on the roof. And on the hood of the vehicle, it says Hudson Hornet Piston Cup. And on the other side, it has the numbers 95 again with an orange and yellow lightning bolt. And on the spoiler, it says World Grand Prix. And on the back as well, these are just stickered on, and it says again World Grand Prix. And on the front, these are just stickered on lights with a molded in mouth. Gives it a nice touch. So all you really have to do is there's a switch on the bottom. Just switch that to on. Same with the remote. There's a little switch on the center. Just switch that to on. And just to show that his eyes can move, all you really have to do is just press this left or right. And if you look in the background, his eyes move on the direction the wheels are turning. Get my hand out of the way. So I thought that was kind of cool. So before we get started, I just want to make sure everything works okay. So for the eyes, make sure they move left and right. Yep, everything works okay for the eyes. Now for the reverse and forward button, all you have to do is move the control forward, and it moves forward. Move the control back, and obviously he moves back. So now I think we're ready to go. All right, so here we are ready to go. We're gonna see how well Lightning McQueen does in action. See if I can get him to turn towards the camera here. Almost. Oh, there we go. Bring him straight up. See if I can get him to turn around a bit. Now I'll see if I can get him to back up a little bit. Give me a second here. It's kind of hard to do. It's kind of gets confusing after a little while. Now just bring it straight back. Well, not straight, but you know, you guys get the idea. Okay, now bring them straight back. See what happens. Close. Okay, so here we have Lightning McQueen at the other end of my room. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'll bring him towards the camera a little bit. If you guys notice, you can see his eyes turn the way that the wheel turns. Now I'll just bring it straight back. Next, we're going to be taking Lightning McQueen outside. Alright, so here we have Lightning McQueen just outside my driveway. Let's see how well he does out here. See how far back I can go with them. That's actually quite far, if you ask me. See if I can bring him close to the camera a little bit. Alright, I'm having way too much fun. These remote control cars are just freaking awesome. Make sure everything's a go. Make sure he looks left and right. Gonna back him up. Whoops. See if I can turn him around a little bit. I'll just bring it straight back. And bring him towards the camera a little bit if I can. And straight up. Whoops. Hang on a minute. So this is MikeMouse74, and you have just seen on Walt Disney Toy Reviews. This is Disney's Pixar Cars remote-controlled Lightning McQueen with... That's right, with moving eyes. This thing is a pure win in my book. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, support the mouse, stay tuned for more reviews. I want to thank everybody for watching, and as always guys, take care everybody. Coming up next on Walt Disney Toy Reviews, you guys have a choice between Disney's Pixar Cars Mac Transporter Rolling Display Case, Disney's Pixar Cars Lightning McQueen Remote Controlled Micro, or Disney's Pixar Cars Tow Mater Remote Controlled Micro. Leave your comments down below.